Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP23 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So I'd like to start this tutorial with blocking the number you've got currently saved on your contact list, and after that I'll show you another way which is more manual. So let's open the dialer, and because here we will have the access, at least we should have access to not only the settings, which we'll use later on, but also the contacts. So let's start with your contact list. As I said, let's tap on it, find the contact you'd like to block and tap, and then let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block number. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So let's tap on block, and as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon, and we've got this information, which means that the number has been blocked successfully. Of course, we can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist, which will enter right now, so in the second way of blocking the number. And it does not really matter whether it will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here we have to tap on blocked numbers. And as you can see, this is our blacklist, and that's the number we blocked from our contact. So as you can see, everything went fine, and we've successfully blocked it. This way of blocking the number is also more manual, because we have to add a number kind of manually. So as you can see, we can enter the number, you can paste it if you've got it copied, and then tap on block. And the same situation, it will immediately appear on the blacklist. What is more, we've got this unknown option, which means that we can block the calls from all unidentified callers just by tapping on the switcher. So you can activate this option and turn it off the same way. You can also unblock the numbers just by tapping on this X button next to the number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.